Question 12. Now, in order to find the gradient of this line, we need to rearrange it so it's in y equals mx plus c format. So I've started off by adding 2y to both sides, taking 15 from both sides. So at that point I've got 2y equaling 3x minus 15. Now if I then divide through by 2, I get y equaling 1.5x minus 7.5. Now this is now exactly in y equals mx plus c format. This is m, this is the gradient of the line, and for what it's worth, this minus 7.5 would be where the line crosses the y-axis. But I'm just being asked for the gradient of L, which is 1.5. Now for part B, find the coordinate of the point where L crosses the y-axis. Well, that's just what I was just saying above. That is what the C represents. So this line crosses the axis at minus 7.5, the coordinate 0, minus 7.5, crossing the y-axis at minus 7.5. So the coordinate is 0, minus 7.5. Nothing along the corridor, 7.5 down the stairs. Now for part C, we've got to find an equation of the line which is parallel to L and crosses the x-axis at minus 2, 0. So I think for this it's best to use the formula y minus y1 equals m x minus x1, where m is the gradient. Well, given that the line is parallel, it will have the same gradient, so the gradient must be 1.5. And x1, y1 represents any points on the line, and our point is minus 2, 0. So x1 is minus 2, so that's gone in here, minus 2, and y1 is 0. So we get y minus 0 equals 1.5 multiplied by x minus minus 2. Now remembering minusing a minus is a plus, so this is x plus 2. Y minus 0 is obviously y. So just multiplying out the bracket, we get y equaling 1.5x plus 3. 1.5 times 2 being 3.